Okay, so on April 22nd, we celebrate Earth Day. Now, it originally started in Wisconsin with Mr. Nelson. He was a really big political figure when it came to environmental concerns and issues, especially after the '69 oil spill in California. He ended up getting really interested in what we're able to do. Back then, we were able to spill anything we wanted basically into the environment. There were no laws. After the first Earth Day, which occurred April 22nd, 1970, in the United States only, they ended up making the Environmental Protection Act, which is what we base our environmental regulations today. Now, in 1990, this is where things got really interesting because now it turned into a global initiative. So we started celebrating, even here in Canada, in the 1990s. Every year since then, we celebrate Earth Day, and this year is no different. Now, a question that has been in my mind is, what does Earth Day mean to everyone? I'm sure everybody has a different opinion of Earth Day, so why don't we find out what the staff feels Earth Day means to them?
Hi, Earth Day is a really important day. I think it's an awesome day where everybody can come together for one common good. I also think that we should be doing more throughout the year to help contribute to our environment, and that Earth Day should be 365 days a year.
Thinking about the planet as our home, or as our spaceship. You know, you look at all the pictures from outer space and you see this little ball, and everything that we know is on that planet, and we're traveling through space. And you know, I think of the astronauts. They have to bring all their food and all their water and all their air with them, and they have to take care of those resources, or else they've got nothing left. And really, it's the same thing for us. The Earth is our spaceship. It's got everything we need. We can't get any more water from anywhere else. You know, we have to look after the resources we've got.
Earth Day to me is a day when we remember how dependent we are on our Earth, and also just to appreciate all the beauty around us in nature, and to make sure that we preserve it for future generations.
Chance to celebrate this wonderful dynamic Earth that we live on and all the things that it gives us.
Earth Day means to me getting out for a bike ride after months and months of a long winter.
Earth Day to me is a day where I care about my planet, and I think about different ways where I can better my environment.
We should think about how we use things on the planet and what we're doing with all the stuff that we're left with, and how we get energy.
We have a really awesome world that needs to be protected and needs to be saved, and Earth Day is a really good day to see that this is what we have and this is what we could do with it.
I love the Earth. If you think about it, we wouldn't be here without the Earth. That's why it's so special, and we need to celebrate.
Well, Earth Day is great. It's great for raising awareness, but that awareness needs to carry over into the everyday. Because on Earth Day, we have these activities like picking up garbage or turning out the lights, but then we kind of forget after Earth Day. We forget that what we do as communities, as cities, as countries, affect this planet that we're living on.
Well, there you have it. Here are very different opinions for what Earth Day means to everybody. To me, Earth Day is a day of celebration, especially here in Sudbury. We've come a very long way in our environmental progress, and it's something to be very proud of. Also, Earth Day is a day to look forward into the future and see what we can do to help our Earth.